Welcome to the Electronics Shopping Chatbot preview. This intelligent chatbot is designed to make browsing and purchasing electronic products easier, faster, and completely hassle-free. The experience begins with a friendly welcome message followed by a main menu featuring 5 options: view all products, new arrivals, deals and offers, warranty and returns, and talk to support. When the user selects view all products, the bot immediately prompts them to choose a category. Once a category is selected, the chatbot displays a curated list of products within that section. If the user selects add to cart for a specific item, the bot asks for the desired quantity. After entering the quantity, the chatbot instantly shares a confirmation message. From here, the user can navigate to the view cart option where they are shown a complete order summary along with 2 convenient actions: adjust quantity to add more items or remove item to update their cart. Finally, when the user proceeds to checkout, they are taken to a streamlined checkout screen. After entering the required details, their order is placed successfully, followed by a final order confirmation message. This chatbot delivers a smooth, modern, and user-friendly electronics shopping experience, from browsing products to completing the final purchase with ease. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our Start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the Welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, you can easily integrate Google Sheets to maintain customer data and keep your flow and data organized. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Ecommerce Electronics Chatbot, template installation process, and Flow Builder overview.